What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now, it's that time of the year, man. When the Jordan 11 comes out, that holiday shoe, that back to school sneaker, I should say. The kids go on school for the winter break time. They get them Jordan 11 fresh 11s in. They go to school. Everybody got them on. No matter where you at, you gonna see everybody with the new 11s on, man. Like, this is one of those iconic releases that happen around the same time every year. It's always gonna be a Jordan 11 release right around the holiday time, just in time for Christmas, just in time for New Year's, just in time for all that. So I'm pretty sure y'all know what I'm talking about by me just going on about it. But if y'all don't know, y'all may be new to sneakers, y'all might not understand how the sneaker game work and everything like that. But that shoe I'm talking about is the Air Jordan 11 Cherry.
Hey, that nigga Caro made this.
Alright, y'all. You already know how a Jordan 11 box looks, man. Nothing crazy, nothing out of the ordinary, nothing special. Just a regular Jordan, the Nike Air on the side of it as well right there. You got your size tag right here. Once again, like as always, nothing too out of the ordinary about a Jordan 11 box. It's just always the same. Well, recently, we used to have the slide out boxes back in the day, but we don't do that no more. We still bring the slide out boxes back because I think a cherry slide out box would be kind of dope in my opinion. But enough about the box, man. Let's get into these sneakers. Now, off the bat, the colorway on this sneaker, don't get me wrong, man, this is a real clean, real smooth colorway, man. Like white, red, it's like that Chicago vibe. So you really can't go wrong with this sneaker, Of course, a lot of people want this shoe, but at the same time, the word million pairs made, but I'm not sure if everybody's able to hit for retail because once again, million pairs, I'm pretty sure a lot of people wanted pairs and some people want to get multiple pairs, and of course you got the backdoor game going as well. So not everybody's gonna get their hands on this sneaker, but hopefully the ones who do want them were able to get their hands on them for retail, that is, not paying no crazy, you gotta do pay resale, nobody trying to hit you over the head for no, $350, $400, but that's just a sneaker game, man. It is what it is, that's what's gonna happen. But as always, in my opinion, I like 11s. A lot of people don't like 11s, but I think 11s are a pretty dope silhouette, Not my personal favorite per se, but it's still, a decent looking silhouette, for a Jordan sneaker. But you got your all red upper right here, all around the side of the sneaker. The sock liner as well, got that nice red, that cherry red touch to it. The back of it, if I'm not mistaken, I don't think this is stitched on the 23. It's not a stitched on 23, so do with that information what y'all want to, Be careful what y'all wears on it, what y'all do. Don't want to, walk down some stairs too fast, your foot might scratch the back of the steps and then boom. Now you got a 22 on the back of your shoe or something like that because you done scratched the whole 3 off. You got 1, 2, you got just a 2 or something on there. But hopefully y'all be good, man. Not too many details with this one. Got your clear, ice blue bottom that so many people love on the Jordan 11s. Now I know back in the day it wasn't really this blue, but it was like an icy bottom, but it just wasn't like this clear ice blue they give us, that they've been giving us on recent Jordan 11 releases. Of course you got your carbon fiber, Gotta have that carbon fiber right there on the side. That's like an iconic staple of the Jordan 11 sneaker itself as well, That carbon fiber, man, that sets 11s apart from like the rest of the silhouettes out there. The other sneaker, same details, nothing crazy, no extra laces, The odds you get extra laces for an 11 is kind of slim to none anyway, but y'all see the details in these, man. Nothing, once again, not no crazy sneaker, but it's simple, It's a simple but subtle sneaker, Like a sneaker that, once again, is a shoe that a lot of people want just because of this colorway alone. And it's an 11. People love 11s. Now they did release, some years back, some low cherry 11s, So a lot of people will see the highs. Most people like highs more than lows, so they see these highs come out and they lost their minds for these because the people been, having mock-up pictures for these for years, talking about saying what if these release, what would y'all do, those kind of things. But we finally got like a high Jordan 11 cherry, so I'm not upset about it, It's not my favorite release, once again, like I said, but I'm not upset about it. I wish they would have had a little bit more black in this sneaker as well, and that might have made, you know, something a little different about it. But at the same time, you know, it's still dope. You know what I'm saying? Simple, but they executed it well, in my opinion. The reds in the right areas, the whites in the right areas. Not like no crazy, you know what I'm saying, colors everywhere that shouldn't be in certain spots. So in my opinion, they executed this sneaker well. You know, of course, Nike's QC is always gonna be, you know, iffy when it comes to certain, you know, glue stains and, you know, stitching and everything like that. Because when you mass produce so many pairs, some of these, you know, it's a little, you know, some little small stuff on sneakers, but at the same time, nothing too crazy. Like, you're not gonna really notice it, you know, when you walking on feet. Nobody gonna be like, oh man, you got some little chipping or something on the shoe. No, nobody gonna really care about that, man. Because once again, it's Nike's QC. That's how it's gonna be. That's how it's been for a while now, especially since so many more shoes are being mass produced. You know, they're not as limited as they used to be, even though they're limited to an extent, but they, you know, make enough pairs to where a lot of people really want the sneaker and get these sneakers. So you never know, you might see a restock on these, man. I definitely see, you know, maybe in the near future they might do another little restock. I know the cool grades and they restocked a couple times, but I do see a restock on these as well in the future. But as always, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, man. Y'all always showing my channel love, getting my subscribers up, man. Make sure y'all, you know, y'all still tuning in for that giveaway, man. I might switch it up a little bit, but at the same time, man, make sure y'all still tuning in, y'all still subscribing, y'all still, you know what I'm saying, telling a friend and telling a friend, y'all smashing that like button, y'all smashing that notification bell, that, you know, share button, all that. But number one, most importantly, is smashing that subscribe button, man. Like, don't just watch and not subscribe me, because I get plenty more videos on the way. Been dropping some back-to-back videos at times as well, man. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, man. I ain't been on YouTube a year yet, so I'm getting the videos rolling, getting them in. So make sure y'all stay tuned to my channel. I'm gonna have a lot more different content coming in the near future, you know, doing little switch ups here and there. So y'all gonna see some of it. As long as y'all stay tuned, as long as y'all stay subscribed to the channel, y'all gonna see, you know, the little different stuff I'm gonna be doing in the near future, man. But as always with that, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in and watching my videos, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.